If you're passionate about indoor gardening, the Crexva Succulent Plant Tool Set is a must-have for your collection. This comprehensive 11-piece kit includes everything you need to care for your succulents, cacti, and bonsai with ease. The set features 5 flower pot hole mesh pads, a practical work mat with 4 snaps to keep soil contained, and 5 essential tools: a drip bottle with a curved mouth, a dig seedling tool, a hole puncher, a scoop, and a plastic bucket shovel. The plant repotting mat is particularly impressive. Made from Oxford cloth, it prevents soil from spilling thanks to its snap corners, making the whole planting process cleaner and more enjoyable. Cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse with water, and even kids can use it without making a mess. The mini garden hand tools are perfectly suited for delicate tasks like watering, digging, and transplanting, making them ideal for office gardening, desk plants, or small indoor projects. The set's thoughtful design reduces the risk of pricking your hands while planting, enhancing both safety and convenience. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for gardeners of all ages, this set is a fantastic choice. Whether for a budding gardener or a seasoned plant enthusiast, it's perfect for creating and maintaining beautiful mini gardens, fairy gardens, or terrariums. Enjoy the ease and fun of indoor gardening with this excellent toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.